The Motorola Razr Plus 2024 and Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6 are among the newest clamshell-style foldable phones. Modern flip phones with folding screens have been around for over 4 years now, and they're better built, more durable, and even more affordable than ever. The new Motorola Razr 2024 starts at $700 before discounts. These new flip phones have larger cover displays, ranging from 4 inches on the Razr Plus to 3.4 inches on the Z Flip 6. Motorola even lets you run pretty much any Android app you want on the outer screen too. The clamshell phones have better cameras, and aside from folding in half, are just like using a regular candy bar style phone. Even better, last year's models like the Galaxy Z Flip 5 and Motorola Razr Plus 2024 and Oppo's Find N3 Flip can be found at steep discounts. If you're considering buying a flip phone in 2024, there are a lot of options to navigate. But we tested and reviewed everything on this list to help you find the best foldable flip phone for you. The new model is certified to survive temporary dunking, with an IPX8 rating that means it can be immersed under 1.5 meters of water for up to 30 minutes. We have listed the best dumb phones 2024, and their key features you need to consider this to help you choose the best one for you. For more information on the product, as always, I've included a link in the description box down below, which are updated with the best prices on each product. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Be sure to stay tuned till the end so you don't miss anything. Now let's get started. Number 5. The Punkt. MP02 Dumb Phone. The Punkt. MP02 Dumb Phone represents a bold move away from the complex and often overwhelming features of modern smartphones. Designed for those who seek simplicity and intentionality in their communication, the MP02 strips away the distractions of social media, endless notifications, and app overload. Instead, it focuses on the essential functions of calling and texting, allowing users to reconnect with the fundamental purpose of a mobile device. With its sleek, minimalist design, the Punkt MP02 boasts a high-quality build that feels both sturdy and elegant in hand. The monochrome display is easy to read, and the tactile keyboard provides satisfying feedback for typing, making it a joy to use. The phone also comes equipped with a long-lasting battery that can easily last several days on a single charge, ensuring that you stay connected without the constant need to recharge. In addition to its core functionalities, the MP02 offers features like a built-in contact manager, a simple calendar, and even a basic web browser for essential internet access. The inclusion of 4G connectivity ensures that users can stay connected when necessary, while the absence of an app store means that distractions are kept to a minimum. Ultimately, the Punkt MP02 appeals to those looking to simplify their lives, encouraging a more mindful approach to communication. Number 4. The Nokia 880. Tough, the Nokia 880. Tough is a rugged mobile phone designed for users who demand durability and reliability in challenging environments. Built to withstand the rigors of outdoor adventures, this phone features a robust construction that can handle drops, shocks, and harsh weather conditions. With its IP68 rating, the Nokia 880 Tough is not only resistant to dust, but also waterproof, allowing users to take it on hikes, camping trips, or even underwater excursions without worrying about damage. In addition to its tough exterior, the Nokia 880 Tough boasts a long-lasting battery life, ensuring that you can stay connected even in remote areas where charging options are limited. The phone is equipped with essential features, including a bright and clear display that remains legible in direct sunlight, as well as physical buttons that are easy to operate even with gloves on. Moreover, the Nokia 880 Tough supports essential connectivity options, enabling users to stay in touch with friends and family or access important information while on the go. Despite its rugged design, the phone does not skimp on performance. It runs on a reliable operating system that provides a smooth user experience, making it suitable for both work and play. Whether you're an outdoor enthusiast, a tradesperson, or simply someone who values resilience in their technology, the Nokia 880 Tough stands out as a dependable choice in the mobile market. Number 3. The Doro 6820. The Doro 6820 is a remarkable mobile phone designed specifically for seniors and those seeking simplicity in their communication devices. With its user-friendly interface and large buttons, this phone prioritizes ease of use, allowing users to navigate comfortably without the complications often associated with modern smartphones. One of the standout features of the Doro 6820 is its clear and bright display, which ensures that text and icons are easily readable, even for those with visual impairments. The phone also offers a loud and clear speaker, making it an excellent choice for individuals who may have difficulty hearing. Additionally, the Doro 6820 comes equipped with an emergency button, providing users and their loved ones with peace of mind in case of emergencies. Beyond its accessibility features, the Doro 6820 supports essential functions such as calling, texting, and basic multimedia options, all while maintaining a compact and lightweight design. It even includes a camera for capturing memories, albeit in a simplified way. The device runs on a reliable battery that ensures long-lasting performance. allowing users to stay connected without the constant worry of needing to recharge. Overall, the Doro 6820 stands out in the crowded mobile market by focusing on the needs of its target audience. Number 2. The Nokia 2660. Flip the Nokia 2660. Flip is a delightful nod to the classic flip phone era, combining nostalgic design with modern functionality. This compact device is designed for those who appreciate simplicity and practicality in their mobile experience. With its stylish flip mechanism, the Nokia 2660 Flip not only offers a unique aesthetic, but also provides a satisfying tactile experience every time you open and close the phone. Equipped with a vibrant 2.8-inch display, the Nokia 2660 Flip makes it easy to navigate through its user-friendly interface. It features large, clear buttons that are perfect for typing messages or dialing numbers, catering to those who may find touchscreen devices cumbersome. Additionally, the phone includes a secondary 1.77-inch cover display, allowing users to quickly check notifications and the time without needing to flip open the device. Battery life is another standout feature of the Nokia 2660 Flip. Thanks to its efficient design, it can last for several days on a single charge, making it an ideal choice for users who value long-lasting performance over the latest apps and features. The phone supports 4G connectivity, ensuring that you can stay connected with friends and family, whether through calls or texts. In terms of multimedia, the Nokia 2660 Flip includes a basic camera for capturing those spontaneous moments, along with support for MP3 playback, allowing you to enjoy your favorite tunes on the go. Number 1. The Nokia 8210. The Nokia 8210 is a classic mobile phone that holds a special place in the hearts of many tech enthusiasts and nostalgia lovers alike. Launched in the early 2000s, this compact device was renowned for its lightweight design, vibrant colors, and user-friendly interface. With a sleek, rounded body that easily fit into pockets, the Nokia 8210 was not just a phone. It became a fashion statement for a generation that craved portability and style. Beyond its aesthetic appeal, the Nokia 8210 offered impressive features for its time. It came equipped with a clear monochrome display and boasted an array of customizable ringtones, allowing users to personalize their device. The phone supported SMS messaging, which was becoming increasingly popular, enabling users to stay connected with friends and family in a new and exciting way. One of the standout aspects of the Nokia 8210 was its battery life. Users could enjoy extended talk time without the constant worry of recharging, a significant advantage over many contemporaries. The phone also featured classic games like Snake, which captivated users and became a beloved pastime during downtime. While the Nokia 8210 may not boast the advanced capabilities of today's smartphones, its simplicity and reliability made it a beloved device. It embodies a time when communication was more straightforward, and it paved the way for the mobile technology we rely on today.